snow blade. You found this on Craigslist or something, right? Facebook. Show us how it goes up and down.
Oh, so that's manual.
That's pretty cool though.
Yeah.
I guess you felt like you needed to get your own snow blade?
Yeah, you're leaving me, so I have to push my own snow now.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. We're disappointed too.
Yeah. Well, if we could just build a huge barn right here, put everything in. I don't know.
That'd be fun.
I don't know. If
We
they'd
could just
let us.
put a roof over the whole yard.
Yeah. I plan on building a big garage right there, but I don't know if we have enough room for both of our junk.
We both have a lot of junk. Yeah. That's really the situation here. We just don't have enough space, and we really like neighbor Jimmy, and I don't know. It's kind of hard, but I guess it's time.
I think this distant relationship will work out, though.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay, well, you got a project for us today.
Yes.
It's a small one.
Yep. I need to get a fireplace insert out of my garage and into the back of the truck.
Okay.
So.
You know, we show you a lot of big, well, I shouldn't say big, but a lot of more complex projects, and today I think this project's going to be one that you might be able to relate to really well, because almost everybody has something that's too heavy and a little bit too awkward to move. And that's really all we got, so let's see how it goes, Jimmy.
All right.
You can get these hooks at boltonhooks.com. Very inexpensive, and they totally transform your buckets. You can do so much more just having these hooks and a simple chain.
No. It's actually out of my sister's old house. They gave it to me, and I'm giving. This already has a fireplace insert. That's a nice old one. It's got a blower. Very, very heavy. I've towed it. This is my third house. I'm ready to get rid of it. Let me pull my truck out.
It's sitting right there.
Yeah, I suppose that some of our bigger projects are more exciting, but I tell you what, when you've got a 300 or 400 pound item that you need to move, what can be more exciting than having something that easily moves it?
You know, I mentioned that if we didn't have Johnny, that I would have to help. And I am very excited to keep my koala gloves on and just
Hands in pocket
chill out.
and be a color commentator.
Yep.
Now, as Jimmy pulls his truck out of the garage, he's really close to the edge. Will he make it?
You know, I didn't realize that he had such a big truck. Was that why you got a big truck, just to keep up with the neighbors?
No, he got it.
He got a big truck to keep up with the neighbors.
Oh, I see.
And now he's backing up. Can he do a straight back?
Clearly not.
He gives up.
I can actually hear you guys.
No drama, Jimmy.
I know. Kind of miss it though. The trees falling on you and stuff like that.
Yeah, I mean, we had no drama whatsoever on this project. I don't think anyone even come close to getting hurt or otherwise making a fool of themselves. No one's gonna watch this episode.
I know. Kind of a dry one. Maybe Lucy. Over here.
Well, again, not every project has to be huge. How much should I charge Jimmy for this one?
I think he should pay you. You had too much fun.
Oh,
Or
no,
you
I
should pay him.
Let's just do it like all the rest and not worry about any money transfer.
Yep.
Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks, Jimmy, for letting us have a little fun on a Saturday afternoon.
No problem. I enjoy it.
And we'll see you next time on Tractor Time with Tim.
And Jim.
Yeah.
A little jealous.
Yeah.
Lucy is
That's why
right
you guys are
under
moving.
your tire,
Thunder a little bit.
Tim.
Yeah, that's why. Actually, like I said, we
Rear
can't
tire?
live here anymore.
Yeah,
'cause-
she's very interested in some smell that's on there.
Lucy. I don't know if hydraulic fluid.
I don't know. There's something in there. She's like,
Come here. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, I got the fire going.
yeah.